Jingjia kenduk jing'e ha ke jela Manipur kampat kot haduk kini kisngi. Ha kaba kidang don ki jingsha thang ha ki katto katni ki jaka. Ki padba ke jela ke lai kenduk shibun ki jing'e na kani ki jingjia. Ha kaba kumba arpo hajar ngut ki breu kentup ki longkemi bat ki kena ki kelung ki sa ki jaka balapan kre da ke sorkar namar kim nutsu bandai pai shala ki jong ki ying ki sem bat ki don ru ki yeng jongki ki balasha thang. Hanrei hakawai pat kaliang Menteri Rangba adu kari Narendra Modi hadu kini kisngi umpat kren eiei halor kani ke jingjia ha ke jela Manipur. Ke jinggeli kami hato ke jela Manipur kedai ke bynta jong kari India ne kamdei. Lada kadai Balei Menteri Rangba adu kari kren eiei halor kani ke jingjia. Menteri Rangba barim ke jela Manipur Okram ibodi sing ulaong ngidon shipotli kiseng san pertai ngilapen kre ya kador khas ban wanra jingsuk ngimdon hangni bane kren ban yo nong politics hanrei ngikwa ba ke jingsuk kan wan phai ha ke jela Manipur sngo bha yarap yangi penkut Menteri Rangba barim ke jela Manipur.
Jairam Ramezi and other different like-minded 10 political parties, presidents, state secretaries, and some of other our like-minded 10 political party leaders. Last time also I have the privilege for speaking a few words. You people well aware that since May 3rd, Manipur has already been begin burning. Till today, it is still continuing. Every alternate day, or even every day also, including Honorable Union Minister of State, Rajkumar Ranjan Singh's house, also already burned day before yesterday. And hue and cry in different relief camps. More than 20,000, including women and children, are taking shelter in the relief camp. What is happening, you people can imagine easily. But till today, from Honorable Prime Minister of this country, didn't express anything what is happening there in Manipur. Now what we feel that it is not nice to mention that whether Manipur is a part of India or not. The question automatically it has arisen. If it is belongs within India, at least Honorable Prime Minister of this entire country, he should have to be expressed, even a single tweet in his mobile. So we don't know. That's why all these grievances, these 10 like-minded political party representatives, we have prepared one memorandum. We want peace. We are not coming here politicalize, not for politicalize. We are not coming here for taking political advantage. At least we want peace. Please help us. So enable Manipur to restore as early as possible. Then next step, it can be dialogue between the two communities and whomsoever, it can be start. With the hope that still we hope we will definitely get at least some time within these 2-3 days before Honorable Prime Minister leave this country for foreign tour. So with these few words, as Jairam Ramezi already mentioned, this one, in 2001, what is happening there in 2001, by that time also BJP was ruled this country. What is happening there, I will not repeat. And By that time, all political party delegation met the then Honorable Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee. We have got opportunity for meeting with him. Few of our honorable members are here. What he expressed from among those delegates